Here I've got ZTE Axon 11, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, find and select System, and here click on Languages and Input. Now go to Current Keyboard, which is Gboard, so once it is done, click on Virtual Keyboard. Go to Gboard then, because it's your default keyboard, pick Text Correction, scroll down, and here you've got spell checker feature, so unless it is active, mark it to have your spell checker on. Obviously you can deactivate it the same way if you would like to switch it off, but let me stay with this feature as it's super useful and it will mark misspelled words while typing. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.